Alright, so my name is Scott Zachary, popularly known as Zax. I am into KDP right from 2018 up to date. This is 2024, and it might not be a wrong decision for you to actually learn KDP from an expert, but I've been doing it for quite a long time, almost 6 years of experience, and I was able to pull in a lot of results from KDP. In fact, all the books that I have on this particular account that I just recently created are bestsellers. They have earned their bestseller badge. Now, let me just quickly go to my account and show you what I'm talking about. Then we just go to kdp.amazon.com. All right, so this is the account dashboard so that you can see clearly. Let me just refresh it so that you can actually see it has refreshed. Okay, now let's look at my first book that we have on this shelf. Let's just open it in the US markets. You can see this particular book now have earned a bestseller. All right, so this is a bestseller. That is one of the book on this particular account. Now let's go back to the next book. We have only 3 books in this account. Okay, so now let me just click on it and let's just open it so that you can see it. So now we have another bestseller from this particular account. You can see. Now let's just go to the third book, okay, on this account, so that you can see. Now, this is the third one. It is also a bestseller, okay. Now, all the books that I have been publishing, I will make sure that they have hit the bestseller badge, and that is what I want you also to learn and understand from my own KDP strategy. So, this is the result I was able to achieve from this particular new account that is not up to 3 months. That is to show you that this strategy is actually working, okay? Now, let's look at how much we have made from these 3 books so far this month, where they have gotten their bestseller, okay? Now, you can see today alone we have made $32, and the day is not yet over. Now, at the time I'm recording this video is around 4 o'clock. Now, let's click on yesterday. Now, yesterday we were able to make $46, and let's see what we have in this month. So now this month we were able to achieve $986 just only from 3 books, okay? Only from 3 books, and all of them are bestsellers already. So if you want to learn this particular strategy from me, click on the Learn More button, and let me show you how exactly you can learn this particular strategy. So see you in the other sites.
Alright, so let me just give you a snippet of what you are going to be getting when you get the AI-powered KDP Cash Engine. Now, the course is actually hosted in the Scroll community. We have built a community of successful publishers where we interact and also provide you with ultimate solutions regarding any problem or challenges you might be having when going through this particular system. So this is a walkthrough video of how this particular system works and what you will be getting inside. Now, this is the community section, the general discussion section of the group, where you can see some other persons sharing their testimony and how much they were able to make inside the community. And also after that, you are going to see the course area where we hosted the entire system that is giving these people the result. So you go to the classroom. Once you get access, you go to the classroom. Now you are going to see different sections of this particular system. Now each of this section was built from my 10 years of experience and what is already working. So this is a result-oriented program of everything I do to get result on Amazon KDP. That is what exactly I shared step by step. Even complete beginners can actually take this and get great result with it. Now, this is the first section that talks about how you can research 100K per year keywords. Now, this is a golden nugget strategy where I will show you exactly how you can get a keyword that can consistently generate you over 100K per year. So now when you click on the section, you are going to see the various videos across the section. Okay, you can see this is the section. Now once you are done with this particular section, we also have another section that talks about how you can extract and validate those keywords to know if those keywords are profitable, and this is the section that talks about this particular aspect too. Okay, now after that we have another section that talks about how you can use AI to build your book. Okay, now this is centered around using or leveraging AI to actually create great books that is going to sell consistently over the year. So now this particular section is going to guide you on how you can achieve that. Now we also have another section that will show you how you can actually launch your book in the first 48 hours of publishing on Amazon, and how you can generate instantly your first $100 within the range of 48 hours using this launch strategy. Now this is actually mind-blowing, and this is actually very, very unique, and this is what I usually do every single time I launch a new book on KDP. Now the next section is the BookBub ads. Now this is where a lot of publishers get it wrong. So many publishers don't know about how they can leverage BookBub ads and get instant traffic, sales velocity, and also consistent ranking on Amazon, visibility, and also indexing. Now this particular section is going to show you how you can achieve that. Now this particular section is a section that talks about scaling this particular business, where you are going to use Facebook ad to generate sales on daily basis across your book. Okay, now this section is also value loaded with a lot of information that is going to help you to achieve that. Now the next section we have inside this particular program is the Amazon ads section, also in the scaling part, where I will show you how you can invest $1 and turn it into $5 using our own unique Amazon ads strategy. So once you click on this, you are going to see a whole lot of information that is specific about Amazon ads and how you can get results instantly with the Amazon ads. Now the final section is actually the bonus and resources section, where I have provided you with a lot of bonuses that is going to ease your journey, and you are going to get things much easier. We have provided you with over 300 profitable niches. We have shown you how you can recover suspended KDP accounts. We have given you over 400 titles to instantly use that are profitable without taking the heck of doing the keyword research yourself. We show you also protect your KDP account, the prompts you are going to be using on ChatGPT to get your quality book that sounds like a human written book, which is in terms of maintaining quality and compliance with Amazon. We have also shown you how you can build your dream customer avatar so that you can build a high quality book that is going to sell consistently. We have shown you how you can target on your Facebook, that is our targeting checklist that is constantly going to generate you daily sales with Facebook advert. We have shown you how you can use promo site too to increase book sales and visibility, and we have shown you the kind of titles that are selling in 2026 so that you can take advantage of that. So now that is basically what you will be getting inside this particular program. It is actually result oriented. It is going to show you exactly how you can get the desired result on KDP, whether you are a seasoned publisher, a beginner, or somebody who have no idea about KDP. So that is the snippet of what you will be getting in this particular program. So see you in the program very soon. Thank you.